There's supposed to be a deck company here, and they said, oh, yeah, the guy goes, oh, yeah, he's there. Like, talk to my head guy. There's no one here. I mean, and he wonders why I'm, like, following up with him. Because, sorry, Gerald, close your ears. Contractors don't always show up on time. They say something, and then they don't come. Yes. All right, so here we are. This is kind of the before of the building. Really beautiful building, but you know, needs some care. So all of this is going to be painted in the next few months. We're going to replace all these deck boards, and it's going to be beautiful. So now this is before. So don't forget, just spray for roaches. Okay. Oh, this is kind of cute. Hey, this isn't bad at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not bad at all.
This door just has to be fixed. This is sliding door. That one was good with this one.
Okay. So this is like the living room. Okay. And then I can't remember. I haven't been in here for a while. So then this is just a little storage thing. So this is one of the bedrooms. And bathroom. It's like only a so really that could be a bedroom up there.
Well, that's what it had it as a bedroom.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
And then this could be like a living room kitchen thing.
Like
but of course everyone loves this exposed brick, so we're not gonna do anything with that.
Right.
This one doesn't need nearly as much work as the other
Except for
one.
the bathroom, I will paint that one. That's the only one I will paint that one.
Oh, you will? Because it's all splotched up. Okay.
Everywhere else, I think it would be fine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what happened to the tub?
Oh, nothing else. Cleaning all that stuff out.
Got it,
Gotta
okay.
stake it. But remember, that whole wall gotta come down because it's all rotted. Those is the boards.
This is?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's gotta be redone. We're gutting this.
And the ceiling.
And the
Just a
ceiling.
quick patch.
Okay, so then this is gonna be that black and white kind of flooring, trendy old little like sink kind of thing. Okay. New windows, of course. Oh no, I don't know. That's such a beautiful looking window. Look at that. And the door, of course.
Is this carpet coming up?
Yeah, oh yeah, this will be hardwood floors all the way.
Okay.
So if you can see, there might be hardwood under here. I bet there is.
Yeah, it is.
This is the one that had the roaches, right? Have you seen any roaches?
It's all over. Because when I went to 7,
Oh, yeah, everyone knows about it?
I don't know. But I
But
know.
are you saying roaches are here?
Yeah,
Roaches aren't there?
yeah. Because I went to 7 the first time to snake out the tub, and that's when I seen the shower was broken. When I got under the sink, I seen like 5 bottles of roach killer, but then I see some roaches coming in the back. So,
Okay, we need to spray it.
But you would think if it's in here, they're gonna travel.
That's what they said, that they're gonna be in the whole building. You gotta spray the whole
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, look at that.
So then this, okay, so yeah, this gotta go, because this is like that old,
Yeah, I want to
80s
say they're in good
kitchen.
shape, but they're just old.
no, gotta go. They gotta go, gotta go.
And then this ceiling, replace it or
Yep.
just try to patch it.
Go patch it, go patch it. And then all of this stuff, like wherever you see these, like can you just, I don't know why that is, what's that?
Because that's what they use to patch the brick broke instead of using regular mortar.
Can you just sand that off or something and fix it, or no?
I can try. The best thing would be to paint it, get brick paint, the color of that paint, and try to like paint it in.
Well, people love this brick.
Yeah, they do.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
They want the brick. They want the exposed brick. What's this? This doesn't have, oh, it goes right up there to the brick.
I
Okay.
think this is plumbing running up here.
Okay, so these need to be painted something cool, and then these could be,
Something
okay.
cool.
I don't know, kind of cool.
Mhm.
Huh. Okay, well, this is interesting. And then we paint these all. Okay, this isn't as bad as the other one by any means.
Oh, not at all.
But I want to know what's under here when you pull it off. Let's see. And see, they're gonna have a little porch. They're gonna have a little porch out here once their deck people show up. And then these are gonna be stainless. Gerald, these will be stainless with the. This one might have room for a dishwasher.
Yeah, you can.
Nah, these people don't care. They're students.
Yeah, they don't.
I don't think there's really that much room for one.
You can fit one in. You can just make the sink smaller.
Because I wouldn't put even cabinets up there, I don't think, with the brick. I don't know.
Could do like a shelf.
Could do a shelf,
Yeah,
like,
open
because they have
shelf.
open stuff, you know, where they put like their little.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Open shelves would be cool.
Yeah. And I think I'd almost put a bar counter over this, so that way,
Break it out forever.
a little bit, so that way they could put bar stools here if they wanted, and then just like they could put a 2-top table, and that actually would probably be their living room.
Yeah.
If it's 2 students,
Yeah.
you know? Okay. I think this is horrible, isn't it?
Oh, my
Let's look.
Yeah, because it's got the carpet.
I think it is. No?
No.
No, it's not. I gotta get my floor guys in here. Should I have them do it before you get here, or should I just have them
I would say after.
after you're all done?
Yeah. That would be the best. That way I'm gonna work.
Okay, so it's gonna be a hardwood floor all the way through here and there, and in the kitchen, by the way. So if you wanna take out this, because I might as well go all the way.
Take it off.
Everything but the bathroom.
So how do you want to do it? Do you want me to tear it all out, pile it up, and have the guys come pick it up, or a dumpster, or haul it to the dumpster?
Hey, while those 2 dumpsters are out there, they're empty,
Trying to
both of
fill
them,
them
they're
up.
probably empty, let's get them in there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the windows can go in anytime,
Yeah,
right?
anytime.
So there's 2 there,
The sooner the better.
there's 3. These are already ordered. 4, that's a big one. It's really cute, you can put stuff under here. Got it.
Could even be like a little desk for if you're studying or something.
Yeah, or maybe this is the closet for this bedroom, if someone uses it as a bedroom,
True.
a college kid, you know.
It's
This would be
cool to
kind of
slide
a cool
into
bedroom though, if it was a bedroom, you know,
It's
which I'm
beautiful.
gonna call a bedroom because
That's
it's
what
a
they
bedroom.
had it as a bedroom.
Yeah. It's pretty cute though. I don't think it's too bad. What do you think about this? Should I just leave that? No, we gotta do that, don't we? Should I do black and white on that, you guys? The same thing? Gerald, black and white here. There's money. I'm not gonna touch it.
Okay. The
Black
same
and white
time
there.
as the bathroom.
Yeah, yeah,
Go with black or white for the fireplace, because all of them so far are black.
I don't think white.
I like
This
the
one.
white. It's
'Cause
pretty.
I'd say white because of the brick.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
The other one didn't have the brick on it.
Mm-mm.
That's a white. Yeah, it's cute. You could even offset something in different color. I don't know. Okay, cool. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're out of here. On this particular deal, I bought this building for $200,000. It was a probate situation. Not that I chased probate, but a realtor brought it to me. And it needed a lot of work. The previous owner died, and her mother lived in California and just wanted to get rid of it and sold it basically for $200,000, which is what she paid for it years earlier. But now the area's changed a lot. There's a lot more built up around here. But she was kind of a slumlord, I hate to say, but the units were not very well kept. That was one of the better ones that you just saw, or you might have seen if you saw my other video on it. And still, like you can kind of see, it's just junky and not very nice, and the garbage can in the front, and all these weird things. But anyways, so I was gonna buy this for $200,000. Knew this building could be probably worth $800,000 to $1 million when it's all fixed up and rented up. Well, right before I was closing, I decided to throw out my IRA. And the reason I wanted it in my Roth IRA is because if I put it in my Roth IRA, all that gain could be tax-free for me for life. So I was looking and I'm like, dang, I don't have $200,000 sitting in my IRA. What am I gonna do? So I started calling all my friends. This is 3 days before closing. Hey, you got $200,000, got $200,000, got 200. Someone said, yeah, I'll get lend you 200. So I have a loan on it for 200. Well, there's a rule with IRA or IRS that when you owe whatever you borrowed from your IRA to buy a property in your IRA, that's kind of like the percentage that is tax-free. Well, I didn't use any of my IRA money. I financed it 100%. So if I sold it right now for a gain, I pretty much, because it's still financed at $200,000, I would be paying gain on it as if it wasn't in my IRA. So I've got to pay that IRA off first in order to benefit from that gain. You can't have any debt against it. So I'm selling 2 other properties in my IRA that will pay off the $200,000, so that when I sell the property after it's all fixed up and all leased up and all top rents, then it will be able to be tax-free because I won't have a debt against that property. So something to consider. Talk to a tax advisor. They'll be able to help you out. Or I use a company called Equity Trust out of Ohio. They know a lot about that. It's called UBIT, or anyways, it's like a business tax if you have leveraged money out of your IRA or an investment. So hopefully that helps you out. It's a cool deal. We'll show you more later.